And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
And up first this evening, Jamaica is facing a multi-billion-dollar repair bill to deal with infrastructure damage caused by Hurricane Beryl.
At the same time, the government is rolling out the Relief Assistance and Community Help Reach program to help victims of Hurricane Beryl.
More than $252 million in additional funds will be given to constituencies to help people fix their homes.
The Prime Minister gave details in a statement to Parliament on Tuesday.
Details from Andrea Chisholm.
Hurricane Beryl has taken homes, lives and livelihoods.
Our focus is on comprehensive relief efforts designed to provide immediate assistance and lay the groundwork for long-term recovery and resilience. The major elements of the REACH program will include the distribution of food and essential supplies, utility, water, electricity, and telecommunications restoration, housing and reconstruction support, and economic recovery and restoration of livelihood.
The Labour Ministry has already begun to distribute care packages which include food.
These care packages contain enough food for a family of 4 for 4 days. By today, approximately 5,000 families would have received care packages. We are coordinating the continued distribution of food, water, medical sundries, and other essentials to citizens in the most affected areas.
In addition to the $5 million allocated to all 63 constituencies for relief activities, MPs will be able to access an additional $4 million each, but they have to finish spending the $5 million first.
The completion means, Madam Speaker, that all the documentation that is required for the audit trail is submitted. Once that is done, then the second allocation of $4 billion per constituency will be made. This, however, will be focused mostly now on the shelter issues and the economic recovery.
Constituencies which were severely affected will get an additional $3 million based on final assessments. In the areas where most houses were destroyed, the Jamaica Defence Force will help.
I have instructed the Chief of Defence Staff to mobilize the Disaster Assistance and Recovery Team, the DART team, and other supporting units, including the engineers, to cover areas such as Rocky Point, Portland Cottage, on the south coast of Jamaica, where the damage is greatest, to assist with the rebuilding and recovery. They will also be deployed in Hanover to assist with the recovery in Hanover, particularly in the town of Negril.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.